that we aren't used today, and it proves that science and technology have changed a lot of time. This study looks at how simple tools became complex machines and how our understanding of the world grew from basic ideas to advanced theories. We will see also how these changes affected people's lives, the economy, and the environment, both good and bad. In short, let's study on how these innovations shaped the society we had today.
Ancient period is the start of early civilization that also gave rise to the major advancement of science and technology. These advances also allowed the civilization to flourish through establishing better ways of transportation and navigation, communication and record keeping, mass production, security and protection, as well as health, aesthetics and architecture, and of living in general. So people from ancient civilization used animals as means of transportation, irrigation of farming, early metallurgy for weaponry, and construction techniques for monumental structures like the pyramid. They uses also clay tablets, stones for their way of communication.
The start of the Middle Ages was marked by massive invasion and migration. Wars are prevalent during this time, such as great technology facilitated the food and weaponry, navigation, food and farm production, and health. Trade and commerce among the nations increased, which resulted in greater demands for transportation technology. The major advances in scientific and technological development took place in this period.
Johann Gallenberg managed to invent the printing press after the Chinese invented woodblock printing, a more efficient method of printing using a cassette. A telescope, which is used to discover important astronomical discoveries such as craters in mountains and moon. Moreover, this microscope used in scientific studies in the area of medicine and other innovation uses for their agriculture. The development of gunpowder and weapons for war helped them as their offensive and defensive instruments, and the development of mechanical clock helped the people in accurately keeping the track of time.
Good afternoon to each and everyone. My name is Rusty Shamal Montejo and I will be discussing the modern ages. During this period, it demanded that more goods to be produced at faster rate. People needed efficient means to transportation to trade more goods and cover a larger distance. And food processing and medicine pose some of the bigger challenges since health is a great concern.
A French biologist, microbiologist, and chemist invented pasteurization, the process of heating dairy products to kill the harmful bacteria that allowed them to spoil faster. Thus, Alexander Graham Bell's telephone development was one of the most significant developments at the time. It makes the communication easier. Wrote breakthroughs like automobiles, airplanes, and nuclear power. The advent of digital technologies, including the internet and artificial intelligence, has transformed global communications, medicines, and industries.
STS examines how science and technology shape our society and vice versa. Science involves truths, theories, and experiments, while technology applies scientific knowledge and improves daily life. Society includes all interactions and cultural norms. Understanding STS helps us appreciate how historical developments in science and technology influence our daily life today. It guides us in making informed, ethical decisions for future advancement. Overall, STS is crucial for understanding and navigating the complex relationship between scientific progress and societal development.
Science and technology has been a continuous transformative journey. Each era built upon previous discoveries shaped human history. By acknowledging the past, present,